Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Instagram privacy settings and data download, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure your Instagram privacy settings and download your data, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy. Tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Here, you will find options to make your account private by toggling the switch next to Private Account. Enabling this option will restrict your content to only your approved followers. You can also manage who can tag you and comment on your posts under the Interactions section. For more granular control, tap Story to adjust who can view your stories. Now, let's move on to downloading your Instagram data. Return to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and select Security. In the Security section, tap on Download Data. Here, you will need to enter the email address where you want to receive the data. Once you've entered your email, tap Request Download. You may be prompted to enter. After your request is processed, you will receive an email with a link to download your data. This process may take some time, so be patient. After you receive the email, click on the link provided to access your data. Make sure to review the privacy settings periodically as Instagram updates its features. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your privacy on Instagram and safeguard your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.